It's hot out there. My hair is getting so long and I'm just always wearing it up these days. So how about you? I haven't been to get my hair cut. I wear it up on my head most of the time, so I thought I would get on here and show you my go-to pull my hair up look. I used to use a clip and just put it up, but now, since it's longer, I've been putting it up in my silky scrunchie. So all I do is I take all my hair and I kind of take it to the back of my head, almost the top of my head, but not quite, where your head starts to round down. And I just gather all my hair back there in like a ponytail. And if there's any bumps up here, I just kind of smooth them out. Take my bangs out. I can take more out later, but anyway, so I'll just go right back here to the top part of my head where it starts to round down. Then I'm just going to take my scrunchie, take it through once. Now depending on how long your hair is and how, the second time I'm going to just take it through like halfway, so it's like a loop up on top, right? And then I'm going to take the very front part of that loop and I'm going to pull it forward and down, so it kind of comes more towards the front of my head. So it's like my slinky up on top, and if you want to come more forward, you can just kind of pull it more forward, and that brings it all more forward. It gives you some height on top of your head. You can pull this out a little bit if it's too tight. This is where I like my bangs. I can bring my hair down around my face. And it looks different every time I do it, but that's my go-to. Like I said, I used to use a clip, but now I use this. Also, another tip for you, if your hair is short, you have a ponytail, but you don't have enough to flip it over twice like this. I've seen a lot of ladies get those scrunchies that look like hair pieces. And especially good if you're growing out your gray, because they have some like salt and pepper ones that look really good on some people, so you might want to try that. But anyways, this is my go-to pull my hair up on top of my head summer look. I've been doing it for a while now, and I'll probably keep it up like this until I get a haircut. I was looking at pictures the other day and I'm like, I need to get my hair cut again, but for now it's going up on top of my head.